reuse, recycle. Okay, how many of you guys remember that from back in the day? Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to apply those principles for recycling into our lives to help us save money and budget the way we need to. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. The first thing I need you to do is to plan. Listen, I can't tell you enough how planning has truly changed the game for me. I mean, it saved me millions. Okay, maybe not millions per se, but you get what I'm saying. Outside is expensive, and when it's pretty outside, I want to be outside. I want to be out there in them streets, okay, and getting stuff done. But I also need to be mindful of my money. So I'll plan out my route, like, so that I can save gas, because one thing I'm not gonna do is backtrack. And if you didn't know that about me, then you know it now, okay? Well, I done backtrack on some men before, but when I'm driving, that's what we talk about. When I'm driving, I don't like to backtrack. I plan out my meals so that I can save on any unnecessary groceries. That is the biggest thing that I found over and over again, is that planning my meals out for the week has truly helped me reduce my grocery bill. And then anything else that I feel like may disrupt my finances, I am going to plan out. So for instance, getting my lashes done. If it's not the week that I am getting some extra coin, then I need to move that to when the extra coin is going to come. There's no sense in me being broke and pretty. Is there? Well, you get what I'm saying. Like, I think you shouldn't put yourself in that situation to be broke and then be pretty, because then y'all get what I'm saying, okay? But anyway, and anything else that's going to disrupt my finances, because it's really important that I stay on track and really paying attention to what I'm doing. So planning out my week, planning out my day really makes a difference in my finances. The next thing I want you to do is to reduce your spending, okay? Shop where you can afford. Do I need to say it again? Let's say it again for the people in the back. Shop where you can afford, okay? I am always looking for the best deals, but now more than ever, I need the best deals. This is why I love Temu, okay? I'm sure you've been seeing Temu like on all of your socials and been like, is Temu real? And well, it is, okay? And let me show you better than I can tell you, all right? If you guys have not been over on my Instagram or my TikTok, I have posted a video of the most random try on haul of some clothes.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She knows she bad,
but they actually gave me an opportunity to shop with them, and I was like, well, let me pick a few different items, because you never know how things are if you just get one of like if you get just one style or something. I don't know. Like, I wanted to just test everything out. Like, let me get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and let's see if all of this stuff is legit. And y'all, listen, it is definitely legit. So one of the things I love is that they have some items on there that have exclusive discounts, okay? And especially for me, because I'm an influencer, so when you guys go onto Temu, you can go look at the things I like to buy. All right, so let's take a look at this wireless portable blender. I know you're probably like, Shell, what you got that for? Well, y'all know I'm on a whole journey of trying to get my life together, okay? And get my things straight. So I was so interested in getting this wireless portable blender, because I need to put my protein in here and make a little shake or something, or even just mix up my shake sometimes, or just put my fruits in here, add that. Look, your girl be on the go, and I be needing to get things done. This portable blender is everything. It has a USB charger here, so you're able to charge up right on the go. You'll never be without a charge, and it just powers up just like this. Boom, boom. You hear it? Portable charger for you. Now listen, because you're my bestie, I got you an exclusive code that's down below. Click that link down below, okay? Because this is normally $10.89, but For just $1.34, you too can get your own portable blender. Listen, I absolutely love the fact that Temu has super affordable prices, high quality products, and amazing coupons. The site is filled with savings of up to 90%. Oh, and did I mention they got free shipping? Free shipping, friends, and free returns for up to 90 days. So what do you have to lose, okay? Because Temu accepts all major credit cards and debit cards, electronic payments, and my favorite option, pay later programs, okay? So they got the Klarna and the Afterpay, but listen, I need y'all to pay responsibly. We don't need that, that kind of drama in our lives. So just for being a bestie, you get to shop my selected items using the link in the subscription box down below and get an extra 30% off with my code, okay? So I already told you the sales is on sales, but you get an extra 30%. So go ahead, download the Temu app right now for even more perks and a smoother shopping experience. I want you to make sure when you shop though, tag me on Instagram or TikTok with the items that you purchase. I cannot wait to see what Temu items you find. All right, so let's talk about the next thing. It is doing your own self-care, okay? Until you get back on your feet, practice them services for yourself. As you guys know, I have been doing my nails for since about a year before the pandemic, and I've loved it. Like, I found different ways to do it. I started off doing poly gel, and then I went to the Gel X nails, and I have not looked back. I don't even feel like I'll ever go back. Even for like wedding, I was in a wedding, I did my own nails. She sent the design, I did it myself. I'm like, I'm gonna do my best to make it happen. I do my pedicures myself. Yes, get you one of them hot spas. You probably can look on Temu right now. They got the little hot tub thing for your feet. Get you one of them, okay? Get you some nice little foot scrubs and things and do it yourself, because that is going to save you so much money. I'm telling you. Refresh that wig, okay? That old wig that you got in the closet that you like sitting on for a while. Go wash it, okay, friend? Go try to style it a new way. Watch some YouTube videos. Listen, I'm telling you, it's gonna save you some money. And style it yourself. Listen, learn how to do things yourself, and you are going to be super excited. One, because you'll see the benefits of doing it yourself in your pockets, but also, like, I get a little sense of pride when they be like, oh my gosh, I love your nails. Me too, thank you. I do it myself. I love to tell people that. They're like, you should do them. Nope, just do it for myself. It just saves them for me, you know what I'm saying? But it also becomes my time with myself as well. I get a moment just to spend with myself. And I don't know about you guys, but I was going to the nail shop for a really long time, and it became, it went from being a place of like not being stressed to being a place of kind of being like stressed out about the time frame, doing this and that because other things are going on. So now I'm just at home. I am relaxed. I do my nails when I need to, okay? I love it. So find those different things that you can do yourself that maybe you're spending a lot of money on, and it may be an adjustment, okay? So tell boo thing, just, until we get our finances together, you might see a nice little slick back ponytail, okay? I still believe in being cute and saving money. Okay, there we go. The next thing is reducing the amount of electricity that you use, okay? Now listen, if it's daylight outside, turn the lights off, lift them blinds up, get that sun inside, okay? I don't know about y'all, but the sun shining inside, it does something for not just me, but for my house too. Like, she be like, hey girl, when you walk in, like, she smells good, those aromas and everything. I'm just saying, get into making sure that your house gets that fresh feeling as well as yourself. Like, get that recharge. Unplug the items that you aren't using. If there's something that you are not using, just unplug it. Don't leave it plugged up, sis. Why you gotta plug it up? Why? And keep that air consistent. Listen, one of the biggest things about a bill that you may have for your electricity is the air fluctuating, going up and down. And if you live in Memphis, okay, y'all already know that ML and GW plays with our spirits and our souls and our minds at least 3 times a year, okay? I'm telling y'all, it's gonna go up during the winter time, that mid-winter time, and then in the summer. So in order to avoid that, if you can, now I don't want nobody passing out, but try to keep your air on a very regulated temperature. So that way during the daytime, it's not getting too cold in there. It's just right when you come home and throughout the night. Just pay attention to some of those things and see how that works for you. The next thing is recycling those clothes. clothes. Okay, so maybe you got an old t-shirt that you really love and you're just not ready to part with. Give that thing a little more swagger, okay? I want you to take that shirt and recreate something out of it. Make it a statement piece. Make it something different. Change the game with the pieces you already have in your closet, okay? And maybe you and your friends, or maybe your sister, y'all may wear a similar size or the same size, whichever. Listen, it is nothing wrong with doing a closet swap. Here, sis, I got 5 pieces for you. Here you go. Let me swap from your closet. Most of the time, a lot of sisters, sometimes they be in the same place, but we don't be at the same place same time. So this new clothes to y'all, you know, old clothes to us, okay? And I love it like that. So try doing a closet swap. I promise you it'll be a fun night. Maybe have a party where everybody, you know, bring a bottle of wine, okay? You can go to Kroger, get you a $12.99 bottle of this lemonade stand wine that I love, or get you some Simply Spiked lemonade, and y'all have a girls' night where y'all all bring like 5 to 10 pieces and y'all swap your clothes out. Oh my gosh. Listen, that's the way to do it. I'm telling you, save some coin. While we're talking about clothes, the last thing I want to say is to clean out your closet, okay? And take the clothes that you no longer want and that are good condition to the consignment stores, okay? I know, you ain't gonna get a ton of money, but a little bit is better than nothing, okay? I know sometimes I take my stuff to the Goodwill because I'm lazy, but I found that like if I go to Plato's Closet and just take my stuff during the off season, like it's okay. That extra $25 to $50 I'm gonna get for them 5 bags of clothes is gonna do me right, because a lot of the stuff is like still practically new. I've worn it a few times and I just need to get rid of it. Or y'all know I be like Luther, so my weight be going up and down, be fluctuating, and because of that I'm always, you know, swapping out clothes. Stuff is too big, and that is the perfect time for me to go make a little bit of coin and still feel good about removing stuff from my closet, decluttering. So if you have an opportunity, go in your closets right now, okay, maybe not right now, but like today, tomorrow, or at least by the end of the week, I need you to go in your closet and find those clothes that you are no longer wearing that are still in good condition and go take those to some type of consignment store. Get your money, sis. Get your, at least, you know, get your money back. It's like a get back, cash back on your clothes. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Temu. I will have the links down below. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring today's video. I can't wait for you guys to see my haul, and make sure you check out the video of my little fashion haul that I did. I thought it was cute. Nobody said anything about my transitions, but anyway, make sure you check them out on the app. And if you've been skeptical, this was your sign that it's time for you to go buy those things that you have in your cart, because I know a bunch of y'all got at least about probably 15 or more items that you didn't put in your cart. Go ahead and do it. Try it. Set you a little budget, $25, $30. Get your stuff, okay? Just do it. And then tell them I sent you, okay? Remember, that code down below is going to save you up to 30% on the items you already were buying. So why not? This is your sign. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye! I'm on another level. Hey, I'm on the other level. Hey, why my face looks so, does it look, hopefully it just looks gleamy and not like, hopefully I'm not giving y'all sweaty, but I'm giving y'all glowy, dewy skin. I hope I'm giving y'all dewy and not sweaty. Okay, bye guys.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.